Yes. Hi guys, I'm back again. Happy Sunday to you all. Um, I hope you guys have a wonderful service at church today, and I believe that today's service was awesome, was so great. So I'm here again tonight with a wonderful topic and an interesting one to say. So the topic is, if you can read, I already written it on the live video, but I'll still say it out so that you can send in your own opinion. Let's us learn from each other, okay? Nobody knows it all, you understand? So you can send in. Yeah, I greet you, my sister. Eddie, good evening. Good evening to you, my sister. You're highly welcome. So I would also like you to contribute to this wonderful topic tonight. The question is, why is it that girls always fall for the bad guys that won't value them or respect them? So I will appreciate it more if you guys can send in your own, as in your own point of view, or what you think that is really the point about this topic tonight. So let us learn from each other, okay? I'm here to read out your own opinion and others can still learn from you. So please, let's make this an interesting program, okay? So many people out there doesn't know this I'm talking about tonight. So I will really appreciate it if you can be able to share it and also bring in your own contribution. So let's know what is really the point, what's really the problem that makes some girls, not all girls, but mostly some girls, they always fall a victim of having bad guys that will beat them up. And there's one I really want to say, is it really right for a guy to beat a girl? So please, I only want you guys to contribute in this topic. So once again, I'm saying a very highly grateful Sunday to you guys. I hope you guys went to church and have fun as well. So please send in your opinion, what you think. Let us learn from each other, okay? Because I know so many guys out there or so many girls out there have been asking all this thing. Why? So guys, let us make this topic an interesting one by sending in your contribution, your opinion, or what you think. I won't hesitate to read it out. As long as you sent it in, I won't hesitate in reading it out. So in case you're joining me or you're joining the program, the topic is, why is it that some girls always fall a victim of bad guys that won't respect them, that always treat them bad? So please, I'm still waiting for your opinion and for your own contribution. Anyone that you know you can contribute to this program, just contribute. Let's make it an interesting and happening one, okay? So for my own opinion, for my own thinking, I think I don't really know. Serious, it's a bit confusing. Like seriously, why is it that girls always fall for the bad guys? Not only falling for the bad guy, they always take them more serious. When they see the good ones, they will chase them out. You can ask your own questions. Maybe someone in the house might answer you as well. So let's make this conversation a bit lively, okay? Yes, I'm still waiting for your contribution. Just say something about this topic. Why is it that girls always fall for the bad ones or the bad guys that will always show them pepper? Not only showing them pepper, always molest them, beat them up, all in the name of relationship or in the name of love. And guys that do beat girls, if your sister is being beaten that way, what will you do? Will you be happy about it? Really, this program I'm doing tonight is just for the ladies out there. Let's really feel their pains. Let's really think about them. Let us really talk about what they pass through in the hand of these so-called bad guys. Okay? Send in your own contribution. Let's know what is really happening. Those beating someone's daughter as in a boyfriend, in the name of boyfriend or in the name of relationship, or you're beating and molesting girl, try and place yourself in that in their, as in, if it's your own sister is being beaten that way, what will you do? Or the main topic of the program is, why do girls always fall for the bad guys that won't even value them? Why? Anybody can contribute, both girls and boys. Anybody can contribute at least let's learn from each other. Nobody knows it all, okay? Nobody knows it all. Send in your contribution or send in your own opinion, then I'll read it out. People might learn from it, and it will also make us know we guys are coming from. Oh yeah, I'm still waiting, guys. Let's do this program. Let it be an interesting one. Send in what you think or what you feel that makes girls always fall a victim of, fall into the hand of bad guys that always beat them up and don't even used to value them. So let's learn from each other. Okay? You know, I always bring a topic that will always benefit everyone. So let's have your own opinion. Let's have your own say. Here is a platform where you can say your mind. No one is entitled to beat you or is going to do you anything. Just say your mind. Let us learn from each other. What do you think in your own little way, in your own little understanding, or the way you, on your own point of view, the way you view things? What do you think that makes some girls to fall, that love bad guys much than the good guys? So I believe you guys know what I'm talking about, or you guys know what I'm trying to say. You know, if you look into some of the relationship that some girls are into now, some of them, if they open up and tell you, yeah, my man, Chuku Innocent, Saint Chuku JP, guy, man, how far? I agree to my bros. You're highly welcome to the program. I hope you understand what what we are discussing tonight. So I'll be glad if you can send in your own contribution. So I must greet you, sir. Saint Chuku JP, you're highly welcome. So like I was trying to say before he sent in his own greeting, like if you check 100%, let me say 99% of relationship that guys are okay. John Paul said, bro, good evening. Bro, good evening, you know. Today, not today. Now, so I greet you, bros. Just send in your own request, send in your own point of view, your own opinion. So let's do this together, okay? I really appreciate you. You're a very good, wonderful brother. You always join this program. You always promote this program to make sure that this program reaches people that are out there. So please, I do appreciate your wonderful support, okay? May God richly bless you wherever you are right now. In Jesus' name. Amen. So, back to what I'm saying. You see, 99% of relationship some guests are into now. Some of them, they are not happy about it, but they are afraid of opening up and to say what they're really passing through in that relationship, because they feel that if they say it out, their boyfriend will end up beating hell out of them because they are so much afraid of the guy. You understand? But the point is it Innocent Chuku is requesting, okay, let's bring him on camera, let's see, maybe he have something to say. So like I was saying, they can't be able to open up and say their problem out. You understand? But at the end of the whole thing, you see that they are the one that put themselves into that situation. You understand? So the point is, why is it that when a good girl will come to a girl in a genuine and approach her that, okay, hey girl, I really love you, I really want you to be my girlfriend. Okay, look at the situation, look at how things are with me, but she will just end up throwing the guy away. Understand? And end up in the hand of the guy that will always beat hell out of her every minute, every seconds. Understand? So the point is, why girls that are watching this program, let us hear your own point of view, contribute to this program. It will really help you a lot. Maybe some guys in the building might also have something to tell you, okay? Just stay tuned. Understand? Send in your own point of view. I'm here to read it out, and everybody will understand what you're trying to say. Say your mind. This is a platform where you always have the freedom to say whatever you want to say, and you'll be responded to immediately, okay? If you always follow my program, you see that I always give the best. Though I know I'm still trying my possible best to make sure that everybody that are following me on this program will always get response to whatever he or she is requesting for, okay? So please, doing it again this night is not going to be an exceptional like other ones I've been doing other days, okay? Just send in your own opinion, send what you think, how you feel, or what makes you think that is right for some girls to end up in the hand of guys that do beat them up and leave the good guys that come to them in a genuine way. Okay? As you are still waiting for people to contribute to sending their own requests, so, and as well, if there's anything that you have or anything that has been bothering you that you would like to share with us, you can send it in as a comment. Then I will read it out. While people are listening, they will also help to contribute to it. It doesn't really mean that the topic we are talking about is the only thing we're going to discuss today. So if you have any other thing that is bothering you that you want to share with us and get some response from people, definitely I'm here to read it out, and if I have something to contribute about it, for sure I'll also try my best to contribute about it. So let's keep the program alive, let's keep it going, because I'm doing this just to make sure that there are some certain things that you need to know that you haven't known yet. But through this program, I believe you will know it. Okay? Like some of you that join us now, we have 3 comments. They are greeting from different angles. Okay? Shout out to It's a D Trinity. He says good evening. Then Saint Chuku JP said, Guy man, how far? Then John Paul said, bro, good evening. Good evening, oh. Today, not today. So let's keep making it happening, okay? Send in your own comment, then I'll read it out. Definitely, I won't hesitate to read it out as soon as possible. As soon as I receive it, I will read it out immediately. Okay? And don't forget to join me on Wednesday. There's a very wonderful topic I'll be discussing on Wednesday. At normal time, we will normally do it exactly 9 o'clock at night, every Wednesday. Okay? So please, let's do it together on Wednesday as well. But for today, let's handle the topic at hand. Send in your own point of view, how you see it in your own angle. Why is it that gears always fall in the hand of bad guys and reject the good guys that are coming to them? And at the end of the whole thing, they'll end up saying one word, that all guys are the same. So the question is, all guys, are they really the same? Okay? We are still waiting for your comments, for your own opinion, for your own ideas. Nobody knows it all, okay? Share your own idea with us. Okay? Someone just sent in his own point of view. Let's hear what he says. Bro, some girls are after a man who can take care of you, not... Okay, let me come back again with the question. He said, bro, some girls are after a man who can take care of you, not the one that said, I love you. Some guys can take care of a woman, but most of them are best. A man that loves you will always love you because the gear is not there because money. Thank you. Wow, I really appreciate your comments, bro. I greet you. And Osas OBO is saying hello. You're highly welcome to the program. I guess you have seen the topic of the program, or okay, he's calling. Let's bring him online on cam. Let's see what he has to say. While others are still sending in their comments. For those that are still joining us, let me read out what Paul said.
Yes.
Okay. Osas has joined the Osas OBO. You're highly welcome to the program. I greet you, brother. So how are you doing? Yeah, how are you doing?
I'm doing fine, bros.
Okay. So I hope you have seen the topic of the program, right?
They see you, bros.
Okay. So what do you have to contribute to the program? People are watching us. Let's hear from your own view. What do you think?
Waiting there.
Okay.
As a matter of go back again because I don't need the enter, so then I just let it go. So
Okay.
I don't get any advice and anything to talk because I never know, I never go fight it.
Okay, you're welcome. The cam is still on. You can call in and tell us your own point of view. So the program still, the topic of the program still remains.
No
Why is it
problem.
that girls always fall to the hand of bad guys that always beat them up? That is the topic of the
Okay. Yeah,
program.
I want to contribute. I love
Okay.
that topic.
Oh, we have another brother in the building. Marvelous, you're highly welcome.
Yes, I'm there.
Yes, okay. So tell us, what do you think? What's your own point of view?
That is, repeat the topic again.
Okay, the topic of the program is, why do girls always fall a victim of bad guys? They always end up in hand of bad guys that always beat them up and don't value them.
Yes, because one, they are looking for where I have done already.
Okay.
You understand? They don't want to suffer.
Okay.
Because you understand, they don't want to suffer and make plan with somebody. This guy now is don't have job here. Let me just assist him. Let's suffer together. Maybe one day when he have job, I will be okay with him.
Wow.
But they don't. No, they don't want to have patience at all. And
yeah, interesting. Yes.
As the hot made the team, as in, I need him now because he's working now. That's why when maybe maybe it's like, for example, I have the money already. Now you come and tell me that you love me. I know that you come for that money.
Okay.
When you talk anything, I will change it for you now. That is why.
Wow. I'm so happy for your contribution. You're highly welcome. Thanks for your wonderful contribution for the program. I really appreciate that.
Yeah,
it's a very good idea. So, guys, people that are still watching the program, Marvelous said that most of those girls always after money. They're always looking for where it has already been done. They don't want to hustle out with the guy to make up his own plan. Understand? They want the place that has already been done. They have cooked everything already. They have put it down. What he's trying to say is that the guy have already made his money. So when the girl comes in now, he will not turn the girl to a punching bag because the girl doesn't have anything to contribute to him again. So they don't have patience to work out with someone that I've seen coming up. So as you can see, that's a wonderful contribution from Marvelous, all the way from Italy. Thank you very much, brother, for joining the program.
Thank you. I greet you.
Yeah, you're welcome once again. So as I was saying, you are seeing what a caller from Italy just said. Marvelous. He said that what is the main point of all this is that impatient. Some of those girls that are doing this, that always fall these victims, some of them don't want to hustle with any guy at all. And if you ask me, I would say that Marvelous just nailed it at the head, as in he just said it all. Because if you see most of all these girls, you see a guy that will come up to her and say, okay, please look at how the situation is. Can you just have a little patience with me? Let's work things out together. That thing will be fine. Highest, it won't take a long time. Just a patient. Then at the end of the day, the girl will now reject the guy because maybe he's broke or something like that. But at the end of the day now, you will see a fake guy that doesn't even have anything, but just have a little thing to show for that moment, will just come up and they will fall for the guy. At the end of the whole thing, when they get themselves involved, to go out of it now will be difficult for them to go out from. So please, people that are watching this program, you have just seen one of the caller from Italy just contributed earnestly for the program. So, and others have also contributed earnestly. I will still go back to the comment that people have been commenting all this while. So what I'm trying to say is, please send in your own comment, or you can call in for the program. The line is open. I will accept your call and you say your own point of view. If you cannot write it and you want to say it through your mouth, I will accept your call. Just call in and I'll approve your call. Then you can say what you want to say. People will hear you out there. So let's keep the program going. Yes, much love from John Paul. I greet you, boss. You too much. So let me quickly go back to the comment people have been commenting all this while, so that if you are joining the program newly, you can still follow up. Remember, the topic is, why do girls end up in bad guys' hand that won't even value them? That's the topic. And one of our faithful partner that always contributes in our program just commented, said, bro, some girls are after a man who can take care of you, not the one that said I love you. Some guys can take care of a woman, but most of them are best. A man that love you will always love you because the girl is not there because of money. I know. Thank you. So, and Marvelous just called at the program and also contributed earnestly, and John Paul is still contributing. I thank you, bro. You're too much. You say everywhere good. You're welcome. I always appreciate your comments. You're highly welcome to the program. So let us keep on sending our opinion and our point of view, what you think. Then I'm here to read it out. If you cannot write your own, if it's somehow difficult for you to write all what you want to say, you can call in at the program. Then I'll accept your call. Then you can say it with your mouth. The topic still remains: why do girls always fall a victim of bad guys? End up in bad guys that don't value them, and at the end of the day, they'll be crying. There's no good man out there. So the question is, why is this so? Let's still keep the program going. Oh, yes. We are still waiting for your contribution. The line is open. You can call in and say your mind. This is a platform where you have the right to say whatever you want to say, and nobody will question you. Just call in and say what you have in your mind to say. The line is always open, and the comment box is always free. You can comment and say and place in your own opinion. Let's make this program a permanent one. Okay, I will have another caller in the building. Let's accept him and hear what he wants to say. So, you that are joining us for the program for the first time, we always do this program every Wednesday, but today I would like to join Sundays as well. So let's see if Sunday's own can be able. Yes, brother John Paul, you're highly welcome to the program. Yes, I greet you, brother. You're highly welcome. This is John Paul. I'm talking about. You always contribute earnestly to our program. So John Paul, hold on. Let me read another comment from someone that is joining us at the program. So John Paul, hold on. Osas Obio said, I am pleased, my brother. Some girls, they lost boys just because of if you are working, and some guys is there who will love you without. Oh, I'm so sorry. I don't really understand what Osa is trying to say here, but I guess he's trying to say without you don't have money. You don't have anything because it happened to me. So please, size why I drop this comment. I will use my own boss. Hey, but you haven't finished the comment. So let's go back to John Paul. John Paul, you're highly welcome. So what do you have to tell our audience, that people that are listening to us, what do you have to tell them about this wonderful topic? So they are.
Bro, I go speak broken. You know, saying we not grow for English.
There's no problem. Whatever in any language you want to use, just say in your own opinion.
Most of the girls they fall for bad boys are their fault. You know why?
Okay.
Even for Europe, most of the men they will define boys will get documents.
Okay.
If they not get documents, they define boys will get documents, and then I say most of those boys now beast.
Okay.
You guess where they define boys will take care of them, will feel bad them what they want.
Okay.
And most of those boys,
okay,
now boys will be say that they also they don't know how to take the also, but they want me they all shop the also that also.
Yes.
And most of the boys now, if you don't shop the money finish, you not feel come out again because those boys that will like to say yes, what to make you come, we must finish them.
Wow, that's a very nice word. Okay.
And you will be get, you not feel complain.
Okay.
You not feel make mad. And the time when the boy will really like you, to say he really loved you, then you say he loved you.
Yes.
The reason I say whether you not get documents or you not get work, then the reason I say that one not fit take care of you. And that one I really love you.
Okay.
That makes most of those girls, bro. They cause problem for themselves.
Wow. I so much appreciate your comments. Boss, I've already finished all the topic I was trying to say this night. I so much appreciate your own wonderful effort in making this program to be a wonderful one. This is John Paul from France, all the way from France. He's just calling from all the way from France. So, guys, I've already heard what he just said about this topic. So, please, please, you have gone off the line. So, please, still send in your own comments and I will still read it out. Like what John Paul said all the way from France, he said that some of all those gears, they always go after those guys that have already made it. Like what our brother from Italy, Marvelous said. He said they always go after guys that already made it. But at the end of the day, when they have eaten that money from that guy, and they see that guy doesn't have anything at all, for them to go out of the relationship now will be very, very difficult and hard for them. And that's why they will not end up in those angle of that hand of that guy that will always beat them up by telling them they won't go anywhere. Let me just speak a little pidgin English. The guy will not tell them, say, you know, they go anywhere, we will die here together. That is what I'm trying to say. We will die here together. You must finish what you have just started. So that's what John Paul is trying to let us know, that gears. But before I continue, let me see what our brother said. Osaro Sunday said, happy Sunday, bro. He said, good evening. I greet you, brother. You're welcome to the program. Just sit back and contribute to the program. Wilfred said, greeting, bros. You're welcome. So, like I was saying, so please, if you know that you can't be able to continue and finish what you started with the guy because you think you are going there for the money and now there is no more money again, so you have to hold on for the beating as well, for the molesting, for any kind of thing that comes up on it. You have to bear, because when the good guy comes, and another guy is saying, before I continue, let's read, because I'm trying as much as possible I can be able to read all the comments that are coming in. Osas Obio said, yes, I love what's that, my brother Soka. Yes, is you. Okay, he's saying I love what the brother from France, all the way from France, he's talking about John Paul. He said, like what the guy just said on live call. Like I said, if you can't be able to write your own comment, you can call in and I will accept your call. Then you say what you want to say and people will learn from you. Okay, let's go back to the comment. Like I was saying before the comment of Osas came in, if you know that you can't be able to hold on and have patience with a good guy that comes your way, why not fall into the hand of bad guy to end up being beaten up every day, every minute, every moment? Let us use our brain, okay? Money is not everything about relationship. I'm still saying it. Money is not everything. Money is everything, but money is not everything. Other way around. Because just don't go anywhere. Join me. I will have another. Because another right up. He said hello. Then this one is lovely blue. He said, please, I don't understand. Okay, what you don't understand? Is it the topic of the program, or what is it that you don't really understand? Let me know, then I can put it to you so that you can understand what you're trying to say. So like I was saying, don't forget to join me on Wednesday. There's a very wonderful topic I've been working on for over years now. I didn't just wake up one day and start this program. I've been working on this program for many years now before I start this program. So on Wednesday, there's a very wonderful topic I'll be discussing that on Wednesday. Okay, he said yes. Let me understand what you're saying. You don't understand the topic or what? Just write me that you don't understand the topic, then I will explain the topic for you. Or you go to the title of the live video, you see the topic over there. Then let me explain. So, like I was saying, join me on Wednesday exactly at 9 p.m. There's a very wonderful topic. This one will benefit you much, much more than the rest I've been doing. But I beg you in the name of God, if you ever find this program, yes, Osas Obio said, my brother, please, I can't wait for that Wednesday. You're highly welcome. Just keep update with me. Just follow me on my YouTube and also in this program. In case if you miss this program, I always post it on my YouTube. You can also get it from the YouTube and also see the comments of others are still commenting. My YouTube name is Chris Nkume. Once you go there, you see all my videos that I've been doing since all these few days I started this program. The other two topics I've done is on my YouTube already. Just go there and check it, Chris Nkume. Then you know what I'm trying to talk about. So join me on Wednesday, because that Wednesday topic is going to help both married men, people in a relationship, any kind of, in fact, everybody is going to help everybody. Just don't miss that particular program on Wednesday. Exactly 9 o'clock. I'm doing this program just 1 hour every day from 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock. But if I see a very good and a nice turn up, I can extend it to 11 o'clock at night. I can extend it to 10 o'clock, to 11 o'clock. It depends on how the turn up is. Well, let me go back to the comment before I continue. Lovely Blue said, please, I don't understand. Yes. Then Osas Obio said, my brother, please, I can't wait for that Wednesday. Okay. Osas Obio, I am pleased. He made me on this group. I have a lot to see. Thank you. Who drop more comments? Who drop more? Come eat. Then Lovely Blue said, okay, your question. Okay, nice one. Then let me answer Lovely Blue. Lovely Blue, the question is, why do girls always fall in the hand of bad guys that won't always value them? That's the question. Okay, you can contribute to the question. You can say your own opinion, and let us learn from each other, because nobody knows it all. Okay, let me go back to the comment before I proceed. Osas Obio said, okay, nice one. Osas Obio also said, because even the lover, my wife is on Lena, so we need to talk to them. Thank you, my brother. You're welcome, Osas. God bless you. And now come from Evans Nice. Evans Nice said, good evening, bro. Most girls fall in the hand of guys who don't love them or beat them because they fall after their money. They feel money is everything in life and not the love. Thank you. Wow, you're highly welcome. Thank you for the contribution. Then I'll have Serena Jane Franco. Jane Franco said hello. And what is the question? Like I said, the question is always at the head of the subtitle of this live video, but I'll still repeat the question. Then I'll go back and read all the comments that people have already sent in before I proceed. So let me quickly read what Jen Selena said. He said, what is the topic? The topic is, why do girls always fall for the bad guys and leave the good guys, and they end up being beaten up by the bad guys? So that's the topic. In case you didn't, let me repeat the topic again. The topic is, why do girls end up falling for the bad guys and leave the good ones? Let me go back and read the comment that people have just dropped before I continue. In case of those who are still joining us new, the starting of the program, we have a wonderful sister that said, good evening, and we responded back to her. And as the program goes on, Saint Chuku JP he said, Guy Mahafa. Then John Paul, one of our best contributor to our program, said, bro, good evening, today not today. Then after he said, bro, some girls are after a man who can take care of you, not the one that said, I love you. Some guys can take care of a woman, but most of them are best, whatever. A man that love you will always love you, because the girl is not there because money. Thank you. Then before that, we have a call from Marvelous from all the way from Italy. He said that some of those girls are, in case of those that didn't listen to his call, he said for those girls, they're after already met guy. They don't want to build up a guy. They don't want to be together with a guy that's still coming up. Let's go back to what Osai says hello. Then John Paul, one of our NS contributors, said, everywhere good though. Osas Obio said, I'm pleased, my brother. Okay, another person is calling in. Let's approve the call. Then I'll still go back to the comments. As you're adding him from the call, let's read what is going on. He said, I am pleased, my brother. Some girls. Okay, Osas is on already. Okay, brother, good evening to you.
But I must greet you.
Yeah, Osas is calling from all the way from Italy. You are having 2 callers from Italy right now. The first one I've called before, and the second one is calling from Italy as well. You don't call from France. So, Osas, let us hear what you're saying.
I greet you. I'm the right sis.
Okay.
So, now broke your talk.
No problem. You can talk whatever language you think you can use.
So,
yes.
I like what many comments and many talk when people say here that they talk, they consist.
Okay.
And from my opinion, many girls they. Before me come out like this, call like this, you don't say, yeah, the thing doesn't interest me.
Many
Okay.
girls they may say they don't want to pull it down. They don't want to know as your money take on or as this one take on.
Okay.
But they want just come into your life, and when they suck you finish, they go get many boyfriend for outside though. They go do their own things for outside. But now
Wow.
for those as in, make that they collect one make they your hand, eh? Make they go to the make they go to your other one make they outside, you understand?
Okay.
And for there, some girls may just be responsible, just get there. Maybe say they get everything, they get document, they get work. Maybe say they want calm down for you.
Okay.
So what me can look at people, we boys and girls may they calm down for us. We know they respect them. Yes, maybe say that they calm down for us sometimes. We don't want to respect them. And one make they hurt us.
That's a
They
very
collect
nice
our
topic
money.
as well. We'll talk about this on our next two program. We are going to talk about this, but continue. That's a very nice one.
Okay. Because that's if I hear all this kind of things, they dress me more. I every time God say yes, you don't see open page. We will they talk more. And that one I just see drop first.
Okay, you're highly welcome. Listeners out there, you have already heard what our brother from Italy just said, Osas OBO. He just said that some of all those girls, they keep on collecting money from different guys and end up falling into the worst and the baddest guy they ever met in their life. At the end of the day, they won't know what to do. We have another caller from Italy. He's Elvis White. Let's approve him and see what he wants to say about the program. So, Elvis White, you're welcome to the program. As it's still loading, let me quickly read out some questions. Okay, Elvis White is on already. Elvis White. Yes. How are you doing?
I just wake up. What did you say?
Okay. We are doing program. We always do this program to educate people. The topic of the program is why do girls end up in hand of bad guys that will beat them, that don't value them. So if you want to contribute to the program, let people out there hear you. There are people all over the world that are watching this program. So contribute to the program. What do you have to say?
Right. My guy, I will call you back. May I go by what I want to because I'm not prepared for the program.
Okay, man. Then you can give way for another person to call in. Bye-bye. So,
no problem.
It's Diana Link said, good evening, bro. Okay, you're welcome to call in. Okay. John Paul said, I'm back. Okay, you're highly welcome, brother. You're back. You're welcome. Like what Osas just finished saying, Osas said that he have had this kind of experience that so many girls out there are always in for the money, not for the love. So what we are trying to say is, girls, at least you have seen what some guys are saying. So please, 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 let us amend our ways for us not to end up being beaten up. Okay, you may be saying, why is this program going on? We are doing this program just to educate people. In case you don't know, at least they said one person cannot know everything. At least by listening to this kind of program, you'll be educated. You understand? Let me quickly read some past comments, then we'll continue on the program. You can still listen as I read the comments out. And I stop at Osas Obio said, my brother, please, I can't wait for Wednesday, for that Wednesday. Okay, I'll make sure I'll bring that program on Wednesday to be a reality. He also said that I am pleased, have me on this group. I have a lot to say. He wanted to say, he answered this to see. Thank you, who drop more, come in. Lovely Blue said, your question. We have already replied the question. The question is, why do girls end up in hand of bad guys that will end up beating them up and leave the good guys? So Osas Obio said, okay, nice one. And she said, because even the lover, my wife, is on layer. So we need to talk to them. Thank you, my brother. Then Evans Nice said, good evening, bro. Most girls fall in the hand of guys who don't love them or beat them because they fall after the money. They feel there is everything. They feel money is everything in life and not the love. Thank you. Then Selena Jane Franco said, hello. What is the question here? What's the question here? It's Diana said, good evening. Um, John Paul said, I'm back. Nan said, hello. Princess Rose said, why, we, why Afa? Why Afa? Then John Paul said, if na me, she no go. Sorry that I laugh because the word alone make me to laugh. I'm so sorry about the laugh. He said, if na me, she no go anywhere because she come for the money. Money, money. Well, no problem. Then Princess Rose said, what are you talking? Please, I don't understand. What we are talking, the topic of the program is why do gears fall for the bad guys and leave the good guys that come to them in a genuine way? I hope you get the question, Princess Rose. Why do gears fall for the bad guys and leave the good guys? And the bad guys will end up beating them and molest them. So that's the topic of the program. So you can contribute. If you can't write your comment, you can call in. We approve your call. Then you say what you want to say in any language you feel like you can express your feeling. You can express yourself. Call in. Definitely, I will approve your call so that you can express your feeling and you can say your own opinion. So that the program will be an interesting one and also it will benefit everybody. Okay. I'm not here to entice anybody. I'm not here to side anybody. Say what you want to say. I'm free and will be honest with you. I will read whatever you sent in. I'm not going to cheat on you by skipping any words at all. So please send in. And bear in mind that this program will be ending by 10 o'clock. In case you miss this program, you can go into my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is Chris Nkume. Then you can read all the comments and you can hear all the comments. And once I come in another day for another program, then I'll read your comments. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also follow me on this program every Wednesday and Sunday because it seems like today on is interesting. I'll be adding Sundays on it. So every Wednesday and Sundays, every Wednesday from 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. and every Sunday from 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. If the program keep on getting more interested, I can extend it to 11 p.m. So please, if you are listening and you want me to extend this program to 10 to 11 p.m., please send in as soon as possible so I can hear your own point of view. If you want me to withhold this program till 11 o'clock, please let me know. Let's continue. I have a lot of comments coming in like water. Please let's go in. Let us go on with the topic. The comments are coming in. Okay, I've already read Princess Rose own. Okay, this one is from Lisa Diana Linke. He said, you can call me. I can invite you. Call me, then I'll approve your call. Selena, call me. Selena Franco, call me and I'll approve your call. Let's see what Lisa Diana said. He said, please, bro, can you stay with your boyfriend? He said, please, bro, can you stay with your boyfriend X? Can you stay with your boyfriend X? Okay, this is another topic we are going to talk about. Let's finish the one we have at hand first of all. Then we'll talk about that one. Maybe we'll talk about it next Sunday. Then Wilfred said watching from Florence. Okay, for me, I think most girls are after a handsome guys, but in the end, okay, Serena is calling. Okay, let's approve her before I continue with the comments I'm reading. As you're adding her up, let me finish the reading from Wilfred. He said, I think most girls are after handsome guys. Okay, Serena is in already.
Hello,
Okay.
good evening, bros.
Yeah, you're welcome, Serena.
Let
You're
me
highly
speak
welcome,
pidgin
Franco.
English so I can
No,
express myself very well.
well,
Bros,
that's good.
I
Okay.
love this topic you brought out this evening.
Thank you
Very,
very
very
much, my
interesting.
sister. Yeah, thank you very much.
First of all, bros, they are
Okay.
not ready to settle down. That is number one.
Wow.
And number two, I'm very impressed with what our brother just said now that the good ones, they are there. It's hard to
Okay.
find the good men. But
Okay.
we are these other girls now. We no one settle
Okay.
down. We are
Okay.
after money. That's what they
Wow.
want to do.
Okay, guys, can hear that from a lady.
We
He's
are
part of you
after
guys.
money.
Wow. Tell them.
Bros, I don't
Okay.
see, I don't tire.
Uh,
Is it that they are with Jumbo or Peter or Joseph? They don't have one boyfriend, and when it's
okay.
time to settle down, it's very
Okay.
difficult.
Wow.
Imagine
Wow.
one girl
Wow.
having three boyfriends at a time.
My God. My God.
Just imagine that one. Now
Okay.
you can't expect say you'll see good man when you want to settle down. It will be very, very difficult. Very, very difficult.
So
That is why
interesting.
they keep falling in the hands of the wrong men. Because the
Okay.
good ones have come to meet you, but you are ignoring them, chasing them
Okay.
away. Is it
Okay.
that you're after handsome,
Okay.
money, or flashing things? That
Hmm.
is why they keep falling in the hands of the bad ones.
Wow. Wow.
My cousin brother shared the video to me. I was like, wow, I'm impressed with this topic. I have to watch it and
Hmm.
give my own opinion. That's all. Bros,
Wow.
thank you
Yeah.
very much. Eh?
No
Thank you. I
problem.
love this topic so much.
Yeah, you're welcome. I
Serious.
always do this program every Wednesday and Sunday from 9 o'clock
All right.
till 10 o'clock.
I
But
will
if I see more impression on this, I will send it to 11 o'clock. So that's why I'm
I
doing
will
this
just
program.
hit
Oh,
the following helps you understand the
okay.
bell. I will just hit it
Okay, no
so I
problem.
can
You're highly
see
welcome.
your
Wow.
videos.
All
Thank you
guests
very, very
already.
much.
You're welcome, my sister.
I'm calling
All,
from Spain.
wow. Serena is calling from all the way from Spain. You are welcome to
Uh,
the group, okay? You're highly
Thank
much
you.
welcome. We thank you for your
Thank you.
much more impressive contribution in this program. You're highly
Yeah.
welcome. Thank you very much.
All right.
So, guys, you have heard what Serena just said. He said most of these girls, they're after material things. Wow, a girl for that matter is saying this thing. That they're after material things. So, girls, please. He said the one that even baffles me said that you will see a girl that have more than 3 boyfriends. And when they want to settle down now, it will be difficult for them to settle down. Can you imagine that? A girl saying this kind of a thing. Wow. Well, as you can hear from yourself, let me quickly go back to what Winifred said. As you can see, we have gotten a lot of callers from Spain, France, Italy, three callers from Italy, 1 caller from France, and 1 caller from Spain. You can still call in. The line is open. You'll be added immediately for you to say your own mind. If you can't write, but if you can't express yourself by writing, you can call in and express yourself by saying it out in any language, you can be able to express yourself. Please don't hesitate to call. I will approve your call once again. So stay tuned. Let me go back to the comment that people are sending into the program. Winfred from Florence. Let me go back to his comment. Say, watching from Florence. For me, I think most girls are after handsome guys, but in the end, they realize that it's not handsomeness that build a home. Wow, this is a very nice contribution. I thank you so much, brother, for contributing earnestly to this program. Then Serena said, invite me. I've already done that. Okay, she said I should leave the program till 11 o'clock. Wow, my sister, I will try as much as possible to see what I can do about that. Let's see what happens. Then Miss Tessie is just laughing. Maybe he knows what he's trying to say. And she later sent in a thought. He said, no be lie, she dey talk. No be lie, she dey talk, bro. Wow. Then it's Precious Ogbevo. Sorry if I mistakenly pronounce your name because I'm not that good in that. I'm not so good in pronouncing names. He said, no be lie, bro. No be lie, you, my sister. You finish work. Wow. Then Osas is just laughing. So guys, as you can see, if you can't write, you can call in the program. I will accept your call and you say your mind. Please, I'm still waiting. If you want me to leave this program till 11 o'clock, please, you can send me a DM. You can ask me to leave it by 11 o'clock. Let me see people that really want to follow up in this program. And don't forget, the topic is still, why do girls end up falling for the bad guys and leave the good ones that come for them? And one sister from Spain just nailed it at the head. Jane Franco, all the way from Spain, he said that they are always after material things. She's a lady that said this, not a guy this time around, because maybe they'll be thinking guys are criticizing girls doing that. No, this one just come directly from a lady. She just called in and made her own contribution, not by writing. So please, as you see this program, you see we are here to educate each other. We are not here to entice anybody or to entertain anybody at all. Please keep on watching. It's coming to you from all the way from DJ Chris Nkume Entertainment, and this is my YouTube channel. Please, in case if you miss this program, you can go to my YouTube channel and watch it back. My YouTube channel name is DJ Chris Nkume /Vivo. DJ Chris Nkume /Vivo. The Chris you're going to write is K, not C. My name. Okay, let me just. I will put on my YouTube name very soon on this channel so that you can be able to get it right and live and direct. Then Serena Gianfranco is also comment. He said, "Yes, let's be focused and stop all this material stuff or handsomeness." Wow, Gianfranco and Wilfred, they are still hitting the nail at the head. They're still talking about material things and handsomeness. Handsomeness does not make home, like our brother Wilfred said, all the way from Florida. He said, handsomeness does not build a home. So please, girls, I'm talking to everyone, even my sisters out there listening to this program, both my sisters, and whether you're my sister, you're not my sister, whoever you may be, please, I'm begging you in the name of God, let's make use of our brain, not our sense. Let's make use of our brain, not our beauty, or not our how will I even put it for you to understand what I'm trying to say? Please, we are the future. You are the future mothers. You are the future mothers of this generation that are coming up. Whatever you put on is what you're going to teach your children. Please, like I said, please don't miss Wednesday program. On Wednesday, I'm going to hit the main topic. It is a very wonderful topic I'm going to be discussing on Wednesday. That particular topic, I've been working on that particular topic over years now, and finally I've concluded that on that topic. I'll be bringing it up on Wednesday. I've done a lot of research about that topic I'm talking about. So on Wednesday, please don't miss it out. Kennedy Nosayo said nice. So please, guys, I'm still waiting. It seems like this after 10 now. I'm going to end this program here. In case if you miss any bit of this program, you can go to my YouTube channel. Okay, you are asking for the time we'll start it on Wednesday. I'll be starting this program on Wednesday exactly 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock. But if it got more interesting, I will send it to 11 o'clock. So the normal time of this program is always from 9 o'clock, Wednesdays and Sundays. For those that are joining us for the first time, Wednesdays and Sundays is the time of this program. So please, in case if you don't know how to reach me after this program, you can go to my YouTube channel. You can also add me up on Facebook, so you can follow up. Anytime I start doing this live video, you will get a notification that I'm already online, because I don't do anyhow live video. The only thing that makes me do live video is when I want to do weekend shout out to my fans. I'll be playing all kinds of jams. You can send in your music request and I'll play it for you. I'm a DJ by profession. Then for the program, I do it every Wednesday and Sunday. Please, there's another message coming in from Serena and Osas. He said, what time? I've already said the time. He said, yes, okay. Then Osas OBO said, my brother, may God bless you. I don't have much to say again. I will keep my comments team tight on Wednesday. Thank you, but only problem. 12. Thank you. I don't understand. Excuse me. He said, my brother, may God bless you. I don't have much to say again. I will keep my comments them tight on Wednesday. Thank you, but only problem. 12. Thank you. Then John Paul from France also said, that's my number one, Selena Franco. Wow. You're highly welcome. Please, I see you, John Paul. Okay, thank you guys. So please, once again, please, I want to beg you guys for something. For us to build this program to make it more popular and to invite more people to like this program. Please, always share this video. Tell people about this program. I made this program for you to share your own point of view, for you to say your mind and say how you feel. If you don't know if you're having any issues, you're having any problem and you don't know what to do, you can inbox me the topic, you can inbox me the message, because all this I've been doing, all this is the topic I've been working on for a very long time. So if you think there's something you want me to discuss about this, like what one of our sisters said. Let me go back to the question he said. If I can be able to find it. Okay, the topic said, please, bro, can you stay with your boyfriend ex? Okay, this is another very good topic we're going to discuss next time, sometime coming in future. We are going to discuss about this program. So what I'm trying to say is that if you have any topic that you would like me to table in this platform, please don't hesitate to send it. Inbox me the topic. Then I promise I will always say it. I will also read it out so that people will comment on it. So please, I'm going to end this program for today. Please do join me on Wednesday. Join me on Wednesday so I can discuss about this wonderful topic I'm bringing up on Wednesday. I've been working on over the years now. So please, as I end this live video, for those that didn't meet up, you can still share this live video for them to listen to it and they can contribute. Then you can read through their comments and see what they are also saying. So, but if you miss every bit of this program, go to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is Chris Nkume. The Chris is K, not C. Chris Nkume /Vivo. After this live program, I will write my YouTube channel name and the link. I'll post it so you can connect to that link and you can subscribe on that link. You can get all the kind of entertainment you want, music, comedy skits, whatever you're looking for that will keep your day going. You can see all the same from that YouTube channel. So I'll be ending this program. I want to say a very big thank you. But before I say this, a very big thank you, let me read out what people have just still sending, because people are still sending in their comments like never before. Evans Nancy said, Selena Jane, you are good in your speaking and comments. Wow, Selena Jane, people are commenting and recommending you. You are so awesome. You're so wonderful. Then Osas Obio said, I'm pleased. I said that you should end this live video 12. Thank you. I will keep watching it. Bro, I will be the first person to be with you. Falling on Wednesday. When is it will be a fire? Thank you. Well, let's talk. Let the talk they go. So let me end this here right now. But if you still want me to continue in this program, you can still send in your comments. So Selena Franco, people are recommending you. They are send a very big shout out to you for your wonderful comment. So I thank you once again. Okay, Selena is saying thank you to everyone. Lovely comments. So before I end this live video, I will quickly want to appreciate some good people in the house. In fact, I appreciate everybody for their very wonderful contribution. People like John Paul all the way from France. People like Osas OBO all the way from Italy. People like Gianfranco all the way from Spain. And so many people that are still sending in their own contribution. Please, I mentioned but a few, but even if I wasn't able to mention your name, do know that you are very, very wonderful. Person like Evans Nancy, Evans Nice, John Paul, Marvelous, so many of them, Wilfred, I can't mention all of your names. Please do bear with me. Join me on Wednesday as I bring another wonderful topic on Wednesday. On Wednesday, exactly 9 o'clock at night, 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. But if the program gets more interesting, I will extend it to 12 a.m. Sorry. Okay, bro. You said, bro, I have many questions. Then you can inbox me all of them in my inbox so I can be able to bring it up one after the other after the program on Wednesday. So please, can I beg you guys for one thing? If you guys really love this, please I can be able to be doing this program every blessed day, but for a start, let's be doing it on Wednesday and Sundays. Someone has a question. Okay, what's the question? Okay, maybe let me leave this program till 11. Okay, what's the question? Serena, tell me what's the question. John Paul, what's the question as well? Let's see if you can answer few of them as possible as we can before 11 o'clock. Let me extend it to 11 o'clock today. So I'm listening. So please encourage this program so I can reach people that are out there that are still confused in some areas. So please send in your request. Like Osas Obio said, I should leave this program till 12 a.m. every day. So I will reconsider it by leaving it till 12 a.m. So John Paul said he has a question. Okay, John Paul, go ahead. What's your question? We are listening. If you want to call in, you can call in and ask the question, or you can send it as a comment. So we are listening. John Paul, we are waiting. Either you call in or you can send it as a comment. Everybody's listening to you. People are watching you from all over the world. You can just send in your comment or whatever you feel that is bothering you in your heart. So let's be our brother's keeper and our sister's keeper. So say it out. People are in the building to help you out with the question. They can contribute to their own opinion. They can answer you as much as they can. So please, guys, share this program so that people can also connect with us. You can share it. Serena, you can share it. John Paul, you can share it. Osas, you can share it to connect to others that are still. Maybe there are some people that have not even know about this program. So by sharing this program, we make more people to know about this. So John Paul have already sent this question. Said, "What can a guy do to make guys happy?" Wow, this is another. Oh God, this is another hot question. He said, "So please, you can contribute to his question. Let's help him out. He need answer to his question." He said, "The question is, what can a girl do to make guys happy? Is it one guy or just guys? You know, when you say guys, you are talking about many guys. So let's see." Yes, Osas, I really appreciate your comment. So please, guys, you have seen the question of John Paul. He said, "What can a girl do to make a guy happy? To make a guy happy." Let's just remove the S in there and make a guy happy. So let's contribute to this question before you call it off for today and wait for next topic on Wednesday. So I'm still waiting. We are still waiting for your comment. Please, let's encourage this program. I can keep on sharing this program so people can know about it. You can also follow me on my YouTube. You can also follow me on my Instagram. Send in your comments. I will read it out. People will contribute. Okay. Serena Gianfranco said, to John Paul's question, he or she just have to be himself or herself, just have to be real. Wow, that's a very nice one coming from Serena all the way from Spain. We appreciate your effort. We appreciate your contribution. You're highly welcome to the program. Thank you very much. So John Paul, as you can see, a female have responded to your question. He said he or she just have to be himself or herself, just have to be real. So the key point here, what she's trying to say is that be it boy, be it girl, be it anybody at all, you have to be real, you have to be yourself. Okay? No gain in pretending, no gain in forming, no gain in creating, as in making fun of someone. Just you have to be yourself. Don't pretend to be who you are not. Be who you are. There's a lot, you do yourself a lot of good by being real. But if you are being fake, my brother, my sister, you're harming yourself the more. Okay? Just be real. It doesn't take anything from you from being real. It doesn't stop you from being who you want to be. It doesn't stop you from being great. If you are rare, it doesn't stop you. It doesn't stop you from answering your name. It doesn't stop you from being great to which you want to be. But being fake will destroy so many things in your life. So please, like Serena Franco said, always be real, always be yourself. So John Paul, I hope she have already answered your question. Maybe you have not gotten exactly what you're looking for, but the little one she can contribute and the little one have also contributed to it. You can also learn from that. Don't be fake, just be real, just be yourself. Your own will be your own. If being real will make you find a real person that will suit you in life, my brother, that will do you a lot of good. Your question here is trying to bring out the topic I want to discuss on Wednesday, but I'll try as much as possible to hold myself. I'm not going to talk about it tonight, because if I talk about that topic tonight, we are not going to leave this place, okay? So let me just try as much as possible I can be able to hold myself. Then on Wednesday, I will bring out the topic, then everybody can contribute to it, okay? So please, just take it from Serena Franco, Gianfranco, okay? And the one I've already said, you understand? Just be real, be yourself. Your own will be your own, no matter what. No matter how hard they destroy your name or how hard they destroy you in front of people, bear in mind that no matter what, your own will always be your own, okay? So that's how it is. So I'm still waiting. Remember, I'm not going to exceed 11 o'clock like I said. I'm supposed to end this program by 10 o'clock, but due to comments that are coming in and people that are still watching and people that are still asking me to extend this program, definitely I've done that to please everybody. I'll be ending this by 11 o'clock, okay? Okay, Prince Kush Humble, in case please, I apologize for everyone in case I mispronounce your name. Don't feel bad, please. Don't feel bad, because some of the names that are coming in, I'm not too good in pronouncing such names, but anyhow, as possible, I can be able to try. I'll try my possible best. So, Prince Humble said, boss, yes, I agree too, but my brother, you're highly welcome to the program. You can contribute to the program. The topic still remains, why do girls end up falling for the bad guys and leave the good ones that come to them? Then, Osas, our wonderful brother, still contributing earnestly, said, DJ Chris, and please let us rest first. When is the way okay, John Paul is trying to call in. Let's accept him back and hear what he's trying to say. Then I'll go back to what Osas is saying. Okay, since we are still connecting to John Paul, let me quickly read what Osas said. Say, DJ Chris, please let us rest first. When is we have a food sign to talk, because we have a lot and we invited more people to come in to come in. Thank you, DJ Chris. Okay, Osas is also saying, say, just because of money, that is why they are full video into the bad, therefore, okay, that's why they fall. Okay, I guess he's trying to say that's why they fall into the hand of the bad boys. Okay, you have heard what as OBO said. So please, girls, mostly this program is to educate our young girls out there, not even only our young girls, married women out there as well. We are doing this program to educate everybody, both young, old, boys and girls. Understand? Please, let's do this and we will learn a lot from this. So please remember, I will be ending this program exactly at 11 o'clock. Please, in case if you miss out from this program, you can go to my YouTube channel or into my Facebook and watch the video, because I will repost this video. I'm not going to delete it. I'm going to repost this video. So in case if you miss any bit of this program, you can go to my YouTube channel and subscribe my channel. My name on YouTube is Chris Nkume Vivo. After the end of this program, I will write my YouTube channel name and the link and post it to you. In case You subscribe, you just subscribe it, you get all the information you need, both musical video, musical audio, anything at all. I deal on entertainment, okay? So please, as I'll be ending this live video, I'll be sending in my account name so you can follow us anytime we start this one. In case if you miss any bit of our program, you can go and watch it on YouTube. So the way things are going with me now, and I think I have to end this video by 10:30. I won't extend it to that 11 o'clock again, but it depends. It depends on the comment that comes in that will determine if I'm going to end it by 10:30 or 11 o'clock. So let's keep on sending our comments and our own point of view and our own opinion. So let me go back to the comments quickly. Osas, he said, okay, nice one. Please write it for me. Okay. Osas said, okay, nice one. Please write it for me. Then Prince Kush Humble said, they need they need the Spirit of God. Wow, you are so welcome to this program for contributing earnestly. Okay, we duly appreciate your contribution. Thank you very much for contributing to this program. So he has said it all. They said they need the Spirit of God in them for them to make it. Okay, Evans Nice is also commenting. He said, why is it that, okay, is this a question or a contribution? Please specify your comment. You can say is a question or a contribution. Let me read it first of all, then we'll know what you're trying to say. It said, why is it that Gears says there is not love? Can you make me understand? Okay, in my own is Evans Nice is asking a question, so everybody is open for everybody to contribute. I've just read what he's trying to say, then I myself and I'll contribute to the question. He said, why is it that Gear says there's not love? There is not love. Okay, he's trying to say there is no love. Can you make me understand? What I'm trying to say that Gears that said there's no love is equivalent to a Gear that said all men are the same. Because if you said all men are the same, who give you the right to test all men and know that all men are the same? That's point one. Then for you to say there's no love, that means you have never been loved before, and you cannot tell me that since you are born you have never been loved. There must be a particular person in your life that you always loved, but due to your out of respectfulness or out of being real to the person, you lost that love and that trust from that person. That's why some of them end up saying that there's no love. But believe me, Evans Nice, believe me, there are a lot of love out there waiting for you. Just all it takes is just patience. Okay, if you have patience, definitely you will find the true love you're looking for. You understand? So, but I will urge you more to tune in on Wednesday, because the topic on Wednesday is so muchly deal on love issue. Please don't hesitate to join me on Wednesday. I will maybe on that Wednesday I will reflect back to this your question and I'll talk more about it. But this is my only two contribution. Then others can still contribute to the question that Evans Nice just said. Then back to Selena Jane Franco. He said, ha ha ha. He said they need the Spirit of God. My sister, I have heard what one of our contributors said. No opinion is bad. Everybody's entitled to his or her own opinion. So that's what he thinks. Okay, so he have the right to say whatever he thinks. So let's just accept. Maybe he have reason and purpose why he says that. So that's his own opinion. Then Evans Knight said yes. Okay, I think I've answered your question a bit. And Osas Obio said, yes, thank you, my brother. The Lord will deliver day. Thank you, my brother. He's a nice question. Then also said, because we are hungry, just because of we. Okay. Wait, let me get it right. He said, Osas Obio said, because we are hungry, just because of we are here in Europe, everything come everything come outside for our guests. It's not fair. like that. Thank you, DJ Chris. You're welcome, my brother. As you guys can hear what he's saying, then please, please, you call me. No, you can call me. I will accept your call. I'm not the one that's going to call you. You send your call in request. I will accept your call because I can't call you. I'm busy reading other people's question. That's from Lovely Blue. So just send in your call request like others did. The person that come from Spain, France, and other 3 guys that come from Italy. So just send in your own call request. It won't be exceptional. Once I see the request, I will accept your call. So that's how the program functions. I can't call you. You're the one that's going to call. Okay. So let me go back to what Osas is saying. Osas said, how? Please, nobody should insult body. Yeah, okay. We have heard you. No one is insulting each other. Understand? We are just making our own view. We are just making our own point. Then Miss Grace said, hello guys, you're welcome. Okay. Lovely Lovett Gold wants to join the okay. Let's accept Lovett Gold and see what he's trying to say. As you are connecting to Lovett Gold, Miss Grace says, hi. Miss Grace says, what is the topic? Okay. The topic is why do girls end up falling for the bad guys and leave the good guys that come for them? And they end up being beaten up. And they end up being messed up. They leave the good guys and fall for the bad guys. That's the topic. Why do girls leave the good guys and fall for the bad guys? That will mess them up, that will beat them up. That's the topic. Okay. Our sister just left the video call. You can call back. The line is still open. Lovely Blue said, okay. So I'm still waiting for your call. If you can't contribute through comment, you can call in and I'll accept your call. Then let's keep the cam rolling. Okay? Make your own contribution. Nobody knows it all. You can learn from me. I can learn from you. We can learn from each other. Okay? Just send in your own opinion, what you think. Then another, okay, Lovely Blue is now calling. Okay, let's hear her out. What she's trying to say. Okay, we are still adding her on the cam, so you guys should listen up and hear what she had to say. Maybe her network's a little bit slow, so just have to bear with her as she connects. For those that are still joining us new for the program, okay, she wasn't able to connect. Maybe please try again. Maybe for the second time you'll be able to connect. Those that are joining us for the program for the first time, we do this program to educate each other, okay? Every Wednesday, okay, she's calling back. Let's see. We do this program to educate everyone every Wednesday and Sundays. So the time is 9 o'clock p.m. to 10 o'clock p.m. But people are asking me to extend this. Okay, Lovely Blue is already on. So let's hear from Lovely Blue. Hello, my sister. Yeah, I'm hearing you. I can't hear you. Can you speak loud? I can't hear you.
Can you hear me?
Okay, I can hear you now, my sister. You're welcome to the program.
Thanks. What I wanted to say is, please, can you come again so that I can say something?
Okay, the topic. You want me to come back again on the topic? Yeah. Okay. But first of all, where are you calling from so that people can know where you're calling from?
From Greece.
Huh?
Greece.
From?
Greece.
Okay, from Greece. Our lovely sister, Lovely Blue, is calling from all the way from Greece. So she wants me to repeat the question so she can get the question correct. The question is, why do girls always fall for the bad guys and leave the good guys that always come to them? And end of the day, they'll be saying there's no good guy out there, but they end up falling for the bad guy and leave the good guys. So what do you have to say? Thank God you're a girl like some of you there are doing this, so maybe they can hear your own advice more than we guys.
What I have to say in this issue is, in this life, nobody is perfect. You understand? Okay. We all make mistakes, including the guys himself. Okay. You understand? So yes, I don't blame them, the girls, because some girls, they want to reap for where they did not sow.
Okay. That's a very nice one. That's a very hot one. Okay.
If you are dating a guy, the guy does not have anything, you have to suffer with him, of course. If you truly love the guy And some guys, you suffer with them. At the end, they will dump you. They will say that, and now there is money. I don't need you. You understand? Those stuff.
Wow.
That is why some girls, they will go for what the guy that has already made money.
Okay.
You understand? So, which is not good. You understand? If you really love a guy, my own opinion to girls out there watching me now is to, my own advice is, if you love someone, suffer with him. You understand?
Okay.
Make good plans with him, even though it's 10 euro. Make 10 euro to be a huge amount of money.
Okay.
You understand? So thanks. That is all I have to say now.
Wow. You're highly welcome. Thank you very much for this wonderful contribution. People out there already congratulating you for what you are saying. People like Osas and Jane from all the way from Italy and Spain. They always wow, the comment is much. You're highly welcome, my sister. So we can go back to the program. Okay, bye. Have a wonderful night, okay?
Bye-bye.
Lovely night to you. Join me on Wednesday as well. Let's do it again. Wow. You guys have heard what is legal. The house is becoming more fun. I love this program. If you love this program, let me hear you say hi. Let's keep this program. Let's keep it moving. Wow. All the way from Greece, our sister from Greece. Okay, we have another caller in the building. Wow. Okay, she's calling back. I don't know, maybe she has something to say. All the way from Greece. She just contributed earnestly to the program. And you guys are following me. You have already heard what she just said now. This is so awesome. Well, let me quickly go back to the comment because there are a lot of comment that comes in when she was saying something. When she was making her own contribution, there are a lot of comments that are coming in. Okay, from Mercy Grace, she said, what's the topic? And I've already had the topic. And Anna call is coming in. Two people are calling again. Let me accept one after one. Okay. I'm having a message from my inbox that should wait for next after. I can't read that inbox message now. Let me go back to the comment. And I said, okay, Osa said, thank you, my sister. Then Miss Grace said, because bad guys normally use money to attract them. So which means they are going for the money now, they are not going for love. Well, that's why they are getting what they want. Okay. Selena Jane Franco said, exactly, Lovely Blue. Wow. People are giving it up to Lovely Blue. That's wonderful. And Miss Grace said, that's why they fall for bad guys. You can see that you guests are still making contribution to the program. So mostly our guests are contributing mostly in this program. So please, let's educate each other. And also, as Obio said, my sister, thank you. Thank you. You said, I love it. Thank you. You are really responsible girl. Wow. And now we have another caller in the building. Let's accept and approve them. We have Osa said, I love you. I love that. Thank you. Okay, we have another sister in the building. Her name is Miss Dollar. Miss Dollar Rita, right? If I'm not mistaken, right? Speak louder. I can't hear you. Hello? Can you speak louder so people can hear you? Hello, Miss Dollar. Hello? Can you speak louder so people can hear you? People are not hearing you. Can you speak louder? I'm not using earphone now. Just leave it like so people can hear you. Hello? Can you speak a little bit louder so people can hear you?
Can you hear me now?
Yeah. I can hear you now. So go on. Where are you calling from?
I'm calling from...
Oh. Hello. Where are you calling from?
Hello, I'm calling from Spain.
From Spain. Okay, all the way from Spain. We have Miss Dollar from all the way from Spain. So what's your own contribution for the program? You're welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah. So what do you have to tell us about this program? People are listening from all over the world. What do you think? What's your own opinion based on this question. Why do girls always fall for the bad guys and leave the good guys? And end of the day, we say there's no good guy out there. Why? Do you have anything to tell people that are listening to us? Oh, it seems like our network is giving problem. It seems like I'm going to cut her off because there are a lot of calls lining up waiting for us. I'm so sorry to cut you off. Let me go back to the question before I bring in another caller. So thank you, my sister. Then Miss Grace said, because bad guys always have read this, I've read this. Okay, let me start. Okay, say your response. Then Osai said, I love that. Thank you. Then Lovett Johnson said, hi. Miss, okay, you guys love the program. Thank you very much. I really appreciate you guys. Then Miss Grace said, hi, I really appreciate you guys. Then Jennifer Alice Equitos said, no go sleep. Well, that's your own opinion. You're highly welcome. You're welcome. And Jennifer Alice Equitos said, see your math. Thank you very much. My math is good. I'm saying what is going to benefit everybody. Then she still said, they come your house now. No problem. You can come and I'll bring you live on camera so people can also see you have a guest in the house. Then let me bring in another caller before okay, Miss Dollar is calling back. The ranking is calling back. Selena, he said, okay, back to Miss Dollar ranking. So what do you have to tell us?
I think that some girls are fault because some girls don't look first before they start dating a guy.
Okay.
Yeah,
wow, that's a very wonderful one from all the way from Spain. We
because some girls just fall in love easily because the boy is handsome.
Okay. You are just saying it again. We already have 3 people that are still saying the same thing. They said handsomeness and money does not build a home.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for your own wonderful contribution. Please do join us on Wednesday and on Sundays. We do this program to educate each other, okay? I so much appreciate your contribution.
You're welcome.
Okay. So she's calling all the way from Spain. My regards to your friends over there in Spain. Greet them for me, okay?
Thank you.
On Wednesday. So there's a wonderful topic we're going to be discussing on Wednesday. It's going to be much interesting. So please don't miss out. Exactly 9 o'clock. We are going to start, okay? Thank you very much for your contribution.
9 o'clock, morning or evening?
9 o'clock in the night, 9 p.m. in the night.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, you're highly welcome. Okay, I have to cut off your because I can be able to accept another person's call. Thank you. All the way from Spain, Miss Dollar. I appreciate your comments. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Okay, now bye.
Bye.
Yeah. We have a lot of callers in the building. Let me quickly read message before I can accept callers. Serena said, Serena said, go for the person. So love. So love, no matter what, stay with that guy. Let feel he's a king. Let he has the most beautiful wife. Wow, thank you very much. Lovett Johnson said, call me. I can't call you, please. You are the one that's going to call me and I'll accept your call. Then Serena Johnson said, I said to Chantel Cruz and Miss Dollar Rankin. Wow, it seems like you guys are staying in the same area. You're highly welcome to the program. Then Jennifer Annie said, Equita said, network problem. Please call me. Lovett Johnson, I can't call you. You are the one that have to call. I have a lot of caller waiting. But let me quickly read the message before I can bring in another caller, please. I said to Chantel, he said, network problem, please call me. Please, be very fast. I want to read so many comments. Bad network. I agree to you, bro. That one from Denmark. Was in Denmark. Then Sylvester Amwoke said, hi, bad girls meet with bad guys. Jennifer said, I was not talking to you. Okay, nice word. Mike Philip said, nah, so okay, let me bring another call in before they hold me ransom, please. Okay, let me approve Lovett Johnson. Okay. As you're adding Lovett Johnson at the cam, let me also quickly read some messages. Okay, Lovett Johnson is already on.
Hi, good evening.
Hi, good evening. How are you doing?
I'm cool, and you?
I'm okay. Thank you very much for calling into the program. Where are you calling from, please?
Germany.
Wow, all the way from Germany. Our first caller from Germany. You're highly welcome. Let's give it to her. She's calling all the way from Germany. Lovett Johnson. You're welcome to the program. So
No
tell us,
problem.
what's your own opinion? Okay, tell us what's your own opinion.
My opinion is that most guys they are looking for a guy that is rich or handsome. Some guys that have dread
Wow.
and so cute, something like that. Like they just want they just want to live as in they want to live where they did not sow, or because of money.
Wow.
Maybe a guy is a poor,
Okay.
maybe the guy don't have money, but the guy throw you as in is showing love and caring. The guy who said no because the guy did not have money. I want to go for the one that have money, but later you will regret. I wish I know, but then it's too late.
Wow.
Most of our guys, they're all looking for money and something like that.
Wow. Wow. I'm so happy for your own contribution, because as you can see, this program is making a lot of impact, because most guys are calling, they are still saying the same thing, money. So girls, please, money is not everything, please. I'm still saying this. Money is everything in some way. Money is not everything in some way. Please don't get me wrong. I'm trying to bring out something here, please. I thank you so much, Lovett Johnson, all the way from Germany. We'll give it to you. Thank you very much for calling. Please do join us on Wednesday and Sunday, 9:00 p.m. every Wednesday and Sundays. Maybe if the program start getting more interested, we can introduce another day to make it 3 days in a week. So please, thank you very much for your contribution. Okay. I do appreciate. My regards and my greetings to people of Germany. I send my greetings to them all. Thank you very much. I have to bring another person to the camp. Thank you very much. I have to cut you off from here. Thank you. Let me read some message if I can bring someone else into the camp. Then this one say, just say I'm not talking to you. Bros Sobo Elvis Marcos said, nice word. Mike Phillips said, Naso. Denmark said, everywhere pepper soup. My guy, everywhere pepper soup. Made the pepper soup water don't go enter those girls' eyes. I beg go. If they don't do well, the pepper soup water go enter their eyes. He said, it's always on praise. Said, hi friends. Then Mick Phillips said, now man you be. Thank you very much. Then Selena Frank all the way from Spain said, exactly. Jennifer Equator said, I was talking to the last caller at Lover Blue. Well, we are not here to make war. We are not here to start fighting or start arguing, please. Just we are here to educate one another, please. I'm so sorry if you have said anything that offend you. I'm so sorry about that, but let's just contribute to the program and stop, and don't make any enemy with anybody, please. Thank you very much for your understanding. It's praise said, it's nice to watch from you guys. I'm from Ghana. Thank you very much. You're highly welcome. It's praise. Jennifer said, not you, my brother. Okay, thank you very much. But let's just let what happen. Let's just go. Nobody should insult each other. Let's just have fun, okay? Thank you very much. Sylvester Moke said, guys always like falling for guys with swag. Wow, swag. What is all this about swag of a thing? Wow, I would like to know what about this swag is trying to mean. Okay, Miss Grace said, my dear brother, you see, most of our girls, they need advice because they think money is everything. Let me just put that is there because I know that's what you're trying to say. They think money is everything, but they don't know that the person who truly loves them is the one who can do anything who can do anything with art. Think twice. Okay, thank you very much, Miss Grace. Miss Dollar Rankin said, some girls like guys that have money and handsome. Wow, that's good. Osas Obio said, thank you. You said how you are said how. Thank you. Seriously, I don't really know. Thank you. I love that. Wow, exactly. Ronald Kinsley said, hello, where is this? Excuse me, guys. I'm so having some. Okay, let me bring to calm another person because I have a lot of caller. Okay, John Paul is still calling. He said, wow, I love daddy. Wow, I love daddy. She know how to talk. Miss Grace said, my dear brother, you see, some of our girls, they just love money and forget love. Okay, John Paul is on the camera already, but let me quickly read some message before I can talk to him. Elvis now said, love it, you are not. Okay, is John Paul, hold on, please. Let me read some comments before I can come back to you. He said, Lovett, you are right. True word. Then Harry, that one said, he clear bros. And Harry Dunn said, bros, you define wife. I don't define what I'm just trying to educate people. Okay. Just imagine. John Paul, hold on. Then Sylvester said, bro, thanks for this program. You're welcome, my brother. God bless. He said, Senator Jones Franco said, I'm really enjoying this video. Thank you very much. Okay, back to John Paul, all the way from France. John Paul, hit me.
I not get this now. I want to advise those guys.
Okay.
Now advise.
Okay.
Make they stop to they follow boys where they wear Prada, where they wear Gucci. Make they follow boys where they wear slippers. Go favor them.
Why did you say so?
And two, because most of the girls they plan with boys.
Okay.
They date boys. They don't like to plan with boys.
Okay.
What did the boy go do for next month? Future coming, they not go plan. All they know now to eat or to drink. So most of the girls, maybe they follow boys where they wear one shoe, not the one they wear Gucci, where they wear markers.
Okay.
Go favor them.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for your own wonderful contribution all the way from France. I always appreciate your wonderful brother. You always contribute to our program. Thank you very much. Yes, let's go back to the comments. You guys have heard what John Paul just said all the way from France. Let's go back to the comment. Senna said, I'm really enjoying this program. Then Praise said, money is the root of all evil. So girls should not love a guy because of money. Thank you very much, Miss Praise. I'm feeling you. And Miss Grace said, Paul, you are laughing. No, you have to laugh because it's somehow funny for someone to ask me if I'm looking for a wife. But that's not the issue. We are here to educate. Sorry, we are here to educate one another. Thank you very much. Don Bose said, Mumu. Well, I don't know. Maybe that's your own contribution. Thank you very much for contributing, Mumu. Maybe there you are talking about the guests that are Mumu. I don't know who you're talking about. Oh, thank you very much. Before I bring in another caller, let me still read some messages. Miss Grace said, ha ha ha. Miss Grace said, you are right, my brother. Then Bros Sobobo Evis Moko said, I'm in Italy. My own contribution, before you go into relationship, you have to know who you are going without. Okay, just give me some minutes. I'm coming, guys. Let me do something. I'll bring in a caller again. Okay, I'm back. Let me bring in another caller to the cam. Okay, Harry Doctor is calling. Let's accept him. Then this one said, I'm calling from, you have to go, we're going out with. Then Mark Philip said, ha ha ha. So I said, we guys are just laughing. Well, it's fun. Let's have some fun, guys. Sylvester Marco said, Paul, you just so funny. I wish they will listen. Well, that's so awesome. Miss Dollar Rankin said, and some girls like dating guys that are irresponsible. Wow. What a word, irresponsible. Well, this will be another topic for another day. Well, let me not go into that. Then one said, see your face. Okay, thank you very much. My face. Yeah, we have another caller in the building. Herin Danton. Then Herin Danton said, go here. No, go here. No, go for woman. Are you here with us, Dan? Harry?
Yeah, bro.
Okay. Please, can you turn on your light so that people can see you and hear and know where you're calling from, please?
Yeah, I'm calling from Italy.
Okay, we have another caller from Italy. It seems like all the callers are from Italy, Spain, and France. We only have one caller from Germany. So let's hear from you, my brother.
Yeah, bro. So only thing when I want to tell them, only the advice when I get those women say, may they sit down for one place, may they look for better customer. Go here, no good.
Na market then they say, when they say look for customer.
No, bro. All of them are market.
Wow.
Because if you lose some girls now for this Europe now, like waiting my brother talk before, they don't want to settle down with man, make they plan with man. Yes. But they want they want eat for where they not put.
Well, that's
so
good.
That's why I use that. That's why I use that word. Go here, not go for woman. Make it sit down for one place, look for better
Okay,
customer.
I've seen that comment. I'll read it after. Wow, that's great. So we thank you very much. Thank you so much, brother. My brother Henry.
Yeah, because I don't see so many girls for this Europe when we did so.
Okay.
They already like for where as in mango when they don't want to make it ripe, as in they won't chop the mango, which is not be the plant the mango. So we need to plan where.
Yes.
Settle down with person when we say on our plan where say as future will be.
Okay.
So where shall I not get much to talk, sha.
Wow. Thank you very much, Mr. Henry, for contributing earnestly to this program. Thank you so much for your contribution. So my listeners out there, I hope you have heard what our brother Henry have just said. Let me continue reading the comment before I bring another caller in the building. He says, see your face. Thank you very much, my brother. Now, so my face job you for the meantime, because as I have some problem with one or two issues, but I'm not here to talk about that. But with time, everything will be fine again. Thank you very much. Henry, doctor said, go here, no good for woman. Wow, thank you. You just said it in your corner. Then Harry Duncan said, almost see sister. Then Sasobio said, my gear, thanks, Mega. I like that comment. Please tell me more. Please let's guess Dolphin. I'm in love too much because of money. Is Harry bad? How the hand you will rewrite yourself. Thank you. Please comment in photos. Comment his photos case. Michael Phillips said yes, because you don't know how is get his money. Wow. Then bros Sobobo Evis said, but you go into relationship, you have to know who you are going out with. Okay, let me bring another caller before I go on with the. Let me bring another caller from Ghana. Lua Praise. As he's adding him, let me quickly read out what Osas said. And please, and able to you, talk to the advisor Nancy tomorrow. Nancy, why you they come never? Yeah, because they love every day. Says down. Every of these they don't want to follow boys to once. Okay, our caller is in the building. Hold on, let me talk to our caller. Hello, good evening. Can you hear me?
Good evening.
Can you hear me?
Yes, okay. I can hear you.
So where are you calling from, man?
Yeah, I can hear you.
From?
From Ghana.
All the way from Africa, all the way from Ghana. Thank you very much for joining the program. So what do you have to say?
I said money is the root of all evil. So girls should not date a guy because of money, because they might end up maybe in the wrong hand. That's what I'm saying.
Thank you very much for contributing earnestly to this program. Join us on Wednesday.
Bros.
Okay.
If you do see, money is the root of all evil.
What's your name, please? What's your name?
My name now William.
Okay, William, all the way from Ghana as well. Thank you very much for joining the program. So what do you have to say?
I'm saying girls should be very careful because of this money. No, boys from these poor homes are taking rituals and using the same girls for the rituals for money. Understand me? Yeah, so the girls should be very careful. They pressure the boys to go in for money, and they end up using their same girls for the rituals, for the money.
Well, thank you very much.
They should be very careful.
Thank you very much for your contribution. So guests out there that are listening to this program, or those that are watching this program that have not contributed, you have heard what people are saying from all over the world, from Ghana, Spain, Germany, France, Italy, from Greece as well. So please, listen to what they are saying, listen to their advice. So Williams, I thank you so much for your
That's
contribution.
right.
Mr. It's praise.
All
I
right,
thank you so much.
Thank you very much. I enjoy the
Okay,
program.
thank you very much. Join me on Wednesday and Sunday for another wonderful topic. Most especially this Wednesday that is coming. Okay. I have a nice topic I've been working on for many years now. So I have to bring it to everyone to hear about it on Wednesday. So join me exactly 9 o'clock in the night. You will hear the topic. So thank you very much for contributing. Okay. Yeah, I have to bring another person to the camp. Thank you very much. Okay, now bye. So let me read another question, another thing before I bring another person to the camp. He said, Courage, Francis said, for me, I am a single guy, but just to get one nice girl is very big problem because almost all the girls I met, they tell me all guys are the same just because they fall in the wrong hand. If all guys are the same, who give them the right to go and test all the whole guys? Sorry to use that word, but that's just the main point. All guys can never be the same. If you say all guys are the same, who give you the right to go and test all guys? Thank you very much. Miss Grace, sorry brother, you are wrong for saying that all girls are market. Well, that's his own opinion. You don't have to insult anybody. We are just saying our own opinion, our own point of view. Maybe he has a reason of saying that. You don't have to blame him. Everybody have a reason of saying whatever he said. Then Osas Obio said, and auntie, they had going to Nigeria to look for small boys to marry, and it's very hard. Then John Paul said, yes, Grace. Harriton said, money is everything. Money is not everything. Thank you. And Grace Dollar Rank said, Gears, stop following. Gears, stop fooling yourself, please, and stay in one place. Then Yopo said, the word that the last caller said is wrong. Not all girls. I'm not market, but it's good for a girl to plan with her boyfriend. Please, you guys should not kill the last guy, the guy that said girls are market, because he have a reason of saying that. Everybody have his own opinion of saying that. So please, let's not criticize anybody. Thank you very much. Then Miss Dollar Rankin said, sex is just for fun, but some girls take it as market. Wow. And that one said, what is love? Then we are going to talk about this on our next program. Let me bring another caller, please, because callers are too much. Let me bring okay, as you are bringing, let me quickly read the comment from Miss Grace. She said, my dear brother, the truth is that some girls don't love the people who lost them, but they love those who don't even see them as somebody. Wow, that's very heavy. Then John Paul said, love is feeling, not money. Wow. Wow, we have lecturers in the building. Lecturers in the building. That's true. Miss Dollar Rankin said, that's true. Then Pretty Williams said, sorry, brother, you are wrong for saying that all girls are market. Please, nobody should criticize anybody. He just said it. He have a reason of saying that. Please, nobody should criticize anybody, please. Then Sylvester Moko said, please, girls, listen to this advice. We are not just here for a child's play. Learn from it. Thank you very much, my brother, for saying this. And then Praise said, for the love of money is the root of all evil, which will converted after. They have earned from the faith and precise themselves through with many sorrows. Wow. You guys should know I'm ending this program by 11 o'clock. Oh, please, let me quickly bring two more callers to the camp before I end this program. I just have 3 minutes left to end this program. Please join me on Wednesday. Okay, we have our brother in the building, bro. So, I greet you, boss. Good evening.
Hello, good evening. Respect, bro.
Yeah, can you hear me? Okay. Another caller from Italy. Wow, Italy, Spain, France, Greece, Germany. Okay. Italy. So, what do you have to say? Oh, it seems like your network is somehow bad. We are not hearing you. Can you please? Okay.
Are you hearing me now?
Okay.
Okay.
I can hear you.
My contribution is that there is no man that can call a woman for, like, for example, you want to approach a woman without no feeling.
Okay.
Everybody have feeling. For example, now you want to talk to a woman, you have the feeling before you now talk to her.
Okay.
The problem that I have, what I think, many guys have girlfriend. When they have the girlfriend, for example, the way the girl now used to behave,
okay,
that is why you now see the relationship used to wait.
Okay.
You cannot go out to go and meet someone that you don't know before, that you will tell him that you love her.
Okay.
All those kind of things. When you see the girl, you have some feeling before you now go and approach her. When the relationship now get, let me say, when the relationship now get K-leg, when we used to say K-leg.
Okay. Please, it seems like your network is bad. We are not hearing you. I have to end your call and bring another person in. Please. Okay. Yeah, I'm here, but your network is not good. We are not hearing you clearly. Okay, we are not hearing you.
I'm very interested in this test. Okay, what I'm trying to say, many girls used to test a guy from different parts. We guys, we used to love. It's not that we don't love. We don't used to love. We used to love a girl, but it's where they used to behave. That is why we used to play game with some girls. Many guys used to play game, but there is true love. Is when we see the girl.
Okay, brother, if I can get, yeah.
I don't think
right?
you get me.
Okay.
Yeah,
thank you very much. I understand what you're trying to say. And people out there have already heard what you're trying to say. Let me also comment before our time is up. Thank you very much for your own wonderful contribution. Join me again on Wednesday by 9 o'clock p.m. so I can do another great topic again. Thank you very much for your contribution. All the way from Italy. We thank you very much, Bro Sobobo. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Okay, now good night, sir. Okay. Let me still bring one more caller before I finish. Let me. Yeah, sister, hold on. Let me. Yeah, you're back again, sister. Hold on. Let me.
I'm back again. Like seriously, I have something to say concerning Bro Sobobo, what he said.
Okay, just hold on. Let me read some comments before we go back to your comments. Just give me some minutes, please. He said, "Bros, you need a." Okay, let me start from here. Say everyone market is okay. Who laugh again? Okay, you laugh. Okay, let me start from here. Said I don't said if I no get money, which go love me. Then John Paul said everywhere market. Then Haridon said I need girlfriend. I need girlfriend. I beg go make una help me. Okay, I don't hear what doctor. How do you say girlfriend when I help him? Then John Paul said, bros, you need girl. Then he said, yes. So John Paul said, everywhere pepper soup. Everywhere pepper soup, bro. Yeah. Then I said, I laugh. Then I just said, you go fit help me. Then Mickey Ella said, bros, me no understand your English. So then Lovely Blue said, I don't understand you. Harrington said, I don't send friend request. Okay, back to you, sister. So what do you have to say?
Bro, so Baba said something which is very correct, that before you go into a relationship, you have to know each other. You have to take time and study yourself, which is the boy and the girl.
Okay.
And if you look at it again in another view or another part,
okay,
I don't know these girls. Yes. In fact, they are not after money these days. Now, what they're after is handsome. Example, my girlfriend, if you see boyfriend now, bomb. Me self, I won't get fine boyfriend like your boyfriend. They just need somebody they'll be using to blow guy around. Just be chilling around the street, stuff like that, you understand? So I don't think, if you look at it, sometimes they're after money, but sometimes they're not after money. They just need handsome guys. So if I might just get the handsome guy. And that handsome guy, and I go, they beat you for house every day, every day. No, because I was just going through some people's comments, and it's very correct, very, very correct.
Yeah, they are right.
So for us, that's the only thing I have to say. We just have to be ourselves. Be real. Take time. Give people time. Let them express their feelings. Don't say because he's dressing somehow or because he's not looking good, you just have to ignore him. No, you don't. You don't do so. Just take time to study them. So that's what we need as a girl.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you for a wonderful contribution. Remember, on Wednesday we have another topic to discuss about.
So I will hit the bell. I love this topic. Yeah, that is what some of our women are even supposed to be talking about, rather than coming on Facebook to be saying nonsense. And say care,
No problem. Now, thank you very much. Have 4 callers again. Thank you very much.
Right.
Okay, bye. Yeah, have a wonderful night rest. Bye. Then let me read some comment before I bring another person into the camp. He said, I don't understand you. Harrison said, I send friend request. Okay, I will accept that letter. I just sent friend request. Okay, I will accept that letter, my dear. That's from Ken's. Then his prayer said, that girl that just called you now is so beautiful. Thank you very much. She have heard what you said. I see they look for, that's from John Paul. Now Henry said, time no day. Then Bro Sowo said, that's one example. Michaela said, talk to person, make you leave comments. Okay, no worry. I will have to read comments for those who I cannot call. I'll have to read their comments as a John Paul. You bros, okay. If I find my mother bought me well, okay, thank you. That's one example. That from Sobobo. From Miss Grace said, my lovely twins, you are correct. Thank you. Then it's present. I handsome too. You know, like you not like me. Ella said, fine boy, you no go kill also. Harry, they can say, what time on Wednesday? The time is always 9 o'clock. Join me every Wednesday by 9 o'clock. Then Sylvester Monk said, my sister, you are not far from the truth. Thank you. And Sobobo said, that's the last comment. He said, I have been talking to one girl since 3 years ago, but she's not accepting me. I don't know why. My God in heaven. Wow. Okay, let's accept Essay. Essay has been calling since, so let's take his call. My God, this is after 11. What am I doing? I should end this program by 11 o'clock. We'll have a lot of callers. Okay, let's keep on accepting them. Essay is not more in the building. Let's accept Miss Grace. Oh my God, this is after 11. Okay, let's see. Say ha ha ha. Then Doctor said home problem. Wow, Miss Grace, you're highly welcome. Thank you very much for joining the program. Yeah, thank you. So where are you calling from and what's your name?
Thank you. I'm calling from Italy. My name is Grace.
Wow, thank you very much, Grace. You're welcome to the program. So what's your own contribution?
My own contribution, I have 2 things that we need to solve. And what my sister just said just now, she's really correct. I really appreciate her for that.
Okay.
These 2 things, you see, the truth and the fact is that some of our girls, they leave their rightful husband, their rightful lover for some kind of boys, some kind of people who don't even have their time. The truth is that the person that they're supposed to take as their real love, their future husband, they will use it as play game, and later end up in the bad hands of those bad guys.
Okay.
And the other thing that I want to correct in this place, like what one boy said in this comment, he said all girls are market. He should not use that word.
No, my sister, wait. My sister, can I tell you one thing, please? No one opinion is bad. Maybe something motivates him to say that. So please, let us not take this so personal. Okay?
I understand that.
You understand?
Yeah, I have a reason, but it should not use all girls because all girls are not the same. As a guy, maybe if you have more than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 girls, you will understand. You will learn many things from them. No, like seriously, you will understand each of them and their character. So you should not use all. You should use some girls. If you read my comment, I always use some girls because I know everybody are not the same.
Yeah, you
so
are right.
like what my sister said, she's very, very correct. So that's what I have to say. Some of our
So
girls,
where are you calling
they
again?
use their rightful lover. I'm calling from Italy.
Okay, so Italy, guys, you are so wonderful tonight. I really appreciate you guys. So let's do it again on Wednesday. You are so wonderful for contributing to this program. Do have a wonderful night rest, okay? No, thank you very much for calling.
Okay, thanks.
Let me bring another person. I'm supposed to end this program by 11 o'clock, but the call I'm receiving here is much more, and I don't want to offend anybody.
Because the topic is very interesting.
Okay, thank you very much. Let me also bring someone else into the camp. Thank you very much. You have a wonderful night rest.
Okay.
Yeah, bye.
Okay.
Yeah. And let me see this one comment before I bring another person to the camp. He said, home problem. Henry Doctor said, home problem. Miss Dollars Ranking said, some girls need beatings. I better not go keep us if you know. Then it said, now what for you? That girl no need you. So find another. Man, I no go quarter for this room, I beg. Now we are advising each other, we are learning from each other. Say no sleep. I beg, I will sleep. I beg, I will end the call. We continue on Wednesday. Then Harry Don said, I like this one. Okay, no problem. Miss Dollar Rankin said, no boys when they use Carol White. Now some girls they run for follow him. Okay, Miss Rankin said, what a disgrace. Then Rachel Omar said, nice word. Sylvester said, hi, Miss Grace. Fine girls. Oluwape said, fine girls in the building. They have heard you. And I know they I know they use Carol White too. Then Oluwape said, Leo, laugh out loud, which is low. Doctor said, Grace, I beg, add me. Then Oluwape, thank you for the sharing. Okay, let me bring the last caller in the building before I end up this today episode. They will wait on Wednesday for another one. We are still adding him if you can be able to pick, but if he doesn't pick, I will say a very big thank you to all of you. Then I'll end up the program. Then we'll finish it up on Wednesday. So stay tuned. Hit the subscribing button. Go to my YouTube channel. Once I finish this program, I will send my YouTube channel my YouTube channel name, and my Facebook and my Instagram. So you can share it as soon as you receive it. You can share so that people can add from it, then they will join me for the program. So hello, he's on the camera already. Hello, Harrison.
I greet you, bro.
Best, can you hear me?
I hear you, bro.
Yeah, I greet you, boss. Good evening, sir.
It's Wally, bro.
Yeah, where are you calling from?
I call for Italy.
For?
Italy.
Okay, Italy. Okay, you're welcome to the program.
Yeah.
So what do you have to say?
Boss, for this Europe, there are many things. There are many things girls they do where they make life. They tire us.
I've come to bring this program to bring all of them out. Understand? It's stage by stage.
All these our girls for Europe, they make we will be made the shame. You understand for many things where they do.
Okay.
You understand? What they don't try to talk. If this our girls, so if they see person, if they see person, we love them. You understand? So you only think that person is this serious. You understand? Now the person will not love them. Now the person they're gonna carry put for their head. But at the end, when you come over there, they'll call find the way they'll still take come back to the former guy where the person man, the guy don't get it, no level. They don't come find where they come back to the guy. Yeah. I won't know, bros. Why it be like that for Europe? Why guess for Europe be like that? Why the matter? They
okay. Like okay, no worry. This topic now we are going to discuss it next Sunday because I have another topic we're going to discuss on Wednesday. But just keep on any day we are going to discuss this your topic. Okay, just you can add me up and send me all your questions. I've made this program for us to be discussing about this issue. Okay, for me to give you a little answer to it before I bring in another caller. For your question, why some girls do that? Because of one, it depends on the friend they keep. Understand? And they feel like they're into competition with someone else. But whereas there's nobody that is in competition with anybody. You do your things your own way. But since they keep some of those friends that are deceiving them, and again they take so much in social media. Understand? They take life of social media so much important to them that they think everything they see in social media is real. Whereas it's not real. Okay. So let me just stop here for now. But I will talk about this more. But just take these two things I just tell you now. They are friends, and in the life of social media, they take it so personal. That's why it's like that, okay? But just keep on being real to yourself. Just be real, be yourself. The rightful person will come. When that person comes, you will not stress yourself to know the person. That person will stay with you to the end of time. Till whatever you want, she will give it to you. So just don't rush into anything at all. Okay? Yeah, thank you very much for calling all the way from Italy. I appreciate you for your call. Yeah, now let me bring another person to the call. Thank you very much. Then let me go back to comment before I bring another person to come. I said, bros, na man you be. Interesting topic. Na true talk, oh. Not our guests. Please, Harrison, say some. Okay, no problem. So very big, very truth. Jean Frank and Miss. Because Namumu be Miss Zola Rankins. Then Osasbo say hello. I'm back again. I went home to one of the face. I'm back again. Thank you very much. Let me bring out the last caller. And after this caller, I will end this call. I'm so sorry if I can't continue with this program, but I just have to end it after this last caller.
Hello, bros.
Yeah, I greet you, brother. You're welcome.
I don't come again.
Okay, where are you calling from? Okay,
from Italy. I don't come before.
Thank you. Yeah, you know, you have we have so many callers on the building, so don't be offended that I didn't recognize. I'm so sorry about that.
Bros, okay. Some of our guests, they say they do waiting no good though. Where?
Okay.
If you look, most of our guests now, Gambia, Senegal, now they date. They know they date us when be Nigeria.
Okay.
You'll see help us and Toto there.
Yeah. No worry, that one should be another topic upper Sunday because someone have already bring a topic we're going to discuss on Sunday. So just send me what is bothering you. Just send it to my inbox and I'll read it out and we'll talk about it. Just follow this channel, follow this program. You get all your answers and whatever you need, okay? Thank you very much for contributing. Okay, now have a wonderful night rest. Okay, now bye.
Thank you, bros.
Okay, now bye-bye. So my good people, my fans, my friends, my brothers and sisters, please, I'm so sorry I have to end this program here. I know that the program is so interesting. Please, even if I end the program, you can still send in your comments as you listen to it. Then people will share from your experience, okay? Please, I'm so sorry I have to end it here. Thank you so much for contributing. I have to mention some names. If I didn't mention your name, please don't feel offended. Don't feel that you are not important. Everybody's important, but I just have to end it here because of one or two things I need to do. Please, I have to end it here. Thank you. Thanks to Jean Frank all the way from Spain, Miss Grace from Italy, Miss It's Praise from Ghana, Williams from Ghana, Wilfred from Italy, those one from Germany. I can't really remember all your names because I have so many comments, so much comments here. Please, I'm so sorry I got to end this program here. I thank you so much for being part of this program. Please be a part of this program again on Wednesday at 9 p.m. in the night. Okay, please, and on Sunday. So if the program gets more interesting, I can introduce another day so I can be able to treat all the topics and all the questions people are asking. Because now we have gotten about 3 questions down that we are going to be discussing after on Wednesday show. So please send in your questions and what you want to know about. We are going to help you out. Not only me, we are here. We are like a family to help each other out, okay? Thank you very much for watching. Wherever you're watching from Greece, France, Spain, Germany, Italy, Nigeria, Ghana. In fact, I can mention but a few. Please, I will be sharing my Facebook. I'll be sharing my YouTube link as soon as I end this video now, please. So just link on my YouTube. In case you miss this program, you can go to my YouTube and rewatch everything and get your answers and get whatever you're looking for and get some other entertainment through my YouTube. Thank you very much for joining me for this program. I give you all the tests and everything to you for being a part of this program. I thank you so much for being part of me. Tune in again on Wednesday. I thank you so much. Please, I can't forget to thank Almighty God for giving me this opportunity to do this program. I thank God for the wisdom and everything. Please, Let's keep this program. Let it come to stay. Let it be real. Okay? Please, if you really love this program, as I end this video now, please share it. Someone that is calling me now, please, I can't answer any call again. I have about 3 callers again. Please, I can't answer any call again. But please, on Wednesday, please tune in and don't fail to call. If you want me to if you want to be the first, just that on Wednesday, first of all, and call me so that people can hear you out. On Wednesday, as I said, 9:00 p.m. I'll be dropping the time on my Facebook now. Please, as you get it, share it so that others can hear from it, so they will join us on Wednesday. Please let this program reach everybody. Invite your friends to join this program. They will learn a lot from this program. You can watch the previous one I've done last week Wednesday and last week Sunday or something there about. Go to my YouTube. I'll be dropping the links quickly at the end of this video. I'll be dropping the link. So please, I'll be tagging the link on this video as I'll be dropping it. So you just go and watch all the ones you have missed from the YouTube. Thank you very much for joining me. Join me again for a wonderful topic on Wednesday. I can't forget to say a very big thank you to every one of you that have contributed. The data you use in watching this program will never be in vain. You have money to buy another data to watch this program as well, in the mighty name of Jesus. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm so sorry again, once again, I can't pick anybody call. My name is Chris Nkume. I'm your host. Please join me next time, same time, Wednesday. I'll be doing another wonderful topic. I go by the name Chris Nkume, but my profession is DJ. But let's leave profession out of this. Just call me Chris Nkume and I appreciate it. I'm your host. Peace. God bless you all for joining me. Thank you so much. Amen. Bye. Bye, guys. Love you all. I love you all.